ma'am.
Hi Shruti, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm so happy to see you.
So
Imagine we
how are
both
things?
of things are going on super fantastically. And imagine we both had classes, but we never had a video call ever.
Yeah, we never had a video call. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my classes with Sarath are going super fantastically. I would be adding
Okay.
few flavors in this interview because you and your husband amazed me from the shares Sarath gave me. So I was just talking to my husband and my both sons. I gave classes to Shruti. How come Rajesh is aware of so much about Jasbir Grover? Oh my goodness. The stories I heard from Sarath about me, but those stories are told to him by your husband is something magic, Shruti, you have done. I am truly touched and honored. I have
Oh,
no words to say. I have no words to say. And he was giving me so insights about me. And I was wondering, oh my goodness, how come Shruti's husband is aware of? Because I was teaching Shruti only.
that's what. My husband is an extremely introvert. I'm also surprised that he shared some things to him. He
Yes.
won't talk much. Actually.
Yes. So this is what. Okay, so now before we start our questionnaire about related to your journey of IELTS with me, can I have a very small, brief introduction about you? Where are you from? What do you do? And what you are aiming to do with
Yeah,
IELTS?
yeah. Actually, hi, this is Shruti. I work with Accenture as a software platform team lead. So I started my IELTS in the year of 2018 December. I gave my first attempt in 2018 December. Our plan is to actually move to Canada. So then we thought giving the IELTS is the best shot. So we gave it in the month of December. So in my first attempt, I got scores like 8.5, 7.5, 6.5, and 7. And that is,
Okay, so how did you find Jasbir Grover?
yeah, after giving my first attempt, because by the time I gave my first attempt, I just prepared self preparation and I gave it. Later, after getting the results, I came to know that it's like we should get 8,777, and that is the point where will be having a score for Canada. So then I realized, then I thought I'm lacking in the writing, especially. That is where I got 6.5. So I was specifically looking for teachers who can guide me through writing. So I've posted my query in Urban Pro. There were many teachers who have approached me that they can provide a great training in writing. They have people who got more than 7 and 7.5 in writing. That's what they told me. But I finalized Jasbir ma'am because Jasbir ma'am asked me to give a demo. To provide what is it, sample piece of letter, and ma'am gave me with the corrections. I like the way ma'am has approached. So I thought, because there were many teachers who are willing to do it for a lesser amount also, but I thought when we want to do something and we want to achieve, we should not think about the money. I thought ma'am will do justify ma'am will justify for that money, so I've opted ma'am.
Wow, great to hear this. So, how did that coaching help you in your journey with IELTS? Was that a easy journey with Jasbir Grover?
I don't say it's an easy journey, but it's a journey which is when we want to achieve something so badly. That's 7 in IELTS, 7 in writing is required. It is a must. So, ma'am told me, if you want to get a 7 or 7.5, this is what you have to do. Ma'am used to give me assignments, and ma'am used to say me, you have to complete it this, but at any cost. So initially it is the tough, because being a working woman and having a child, it was very tough for me to complete the assignment. But as and when as we say that people adapt easily, so I've adapted to ma'am's teaching style, and then I went ahead, and it's not a difficult journey, but it's a journey that we should remember.
Wow. So I always talk about your case to all of my students because in the first or second class, I hear that you were crying looking at the feedback, and you find ma'am very strict. And that was a moment I talked to myself, do I need to change my teaching style? So my soul said, Jasbir Gover, you cannot do this because sugar coating advices can never help Shruti, even if she is feeling bad today. So how is your that experience, and how after that helped you to form more trust on ma'am, or you were more fearful of Jasbir Gover's authoritative and demanding teacher style?
No, it's not. I was fearful or I was demanding because I'm proud of myself actually. So it's more like I never faced any criticism during my college days or school days or even in my professional career as well. So that's the point when you said this is not up to the marks. I felt bad, but later I realized ma'am was saying because it helps me as a person. It helps my goal. So I've switched my perspective and I understood your perception and I started whatever you're saying to me and I followed.
Wow. So Shruti is very popular for this incident because I was also feeling, do I need to change my teaching style? But then I realized excess of sugar always create diabetes. So I said I will be sticking to my style and I won't be giving any extra treatment to Shruti because I knew if I would be telling her this is right. So that would be a false way of giving her the feedback. So that's the area where many people find it difficult to gel along with me, and many people find my demanding homework is very difficult to manage in their day-to-day challenges. So now I have another question, like before coming for writing classes, I also heard lot many videos are there, people say go for the vocabulary. You were also saying that ma'am I lack in access to vocabularies, ideas. Is that you were to go and search for any other material? What was the first condition I gave you, that you will follow whatever I will teach you? Did you find that was sufficient?
No, no, no. I've completely followed whatever the material you gave me because that is more than enough. I didn't find any extra time to go to Google and search for other materials because whatever you have given me is more, and the time which I have is completely sufficient for those materials itself.
Yes. So, your journey is very magical because it is only you and only another one student from Dubai. They could clear IELTS in 1 month time. So, do you think so? It is that easy or difficult? Because usually it takes 2 months time for people, but you cleared in 1 month time. So, it's a very big achievement for you and for me also, because usually people take 2 months time. So, uh, how you could do in 1 month time? May I know how you were managing? I know that getting up early in the morning before your daughter could get up, she was very young that time. At time you need to tell your husband to take care of your daughter. Before your exam you called your mother to stay with you so that she can take care of your daughter. So how much time you were spending for your self preparation?
Actually, for the self preparation, as I mentioned, in the month of December itself, I gave my first attempt. So I was pretty confident. I was lacking in this writing part. So I've completed the listening and reading part there in then and there itself. When I started my journey with you, I've completely concentrated on the writing part only alone. So I can say because of that, that 1 month part is sufficient for me. But I felt IELTS is a very difficult exam that we have to give our heart and soul to clear it. The
Wow.
required 8777 points.
Wow. And how about where people says that you can clear IELTS without even having a coaching? How much do you support this stand where people flood the Facebook groups telling no 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 no, you can do it, this is a simple exam of IELTS? Is that the right thing? People are guiding others?
That's what many people has told me when I gave my first attempt. You can you can clear the exam with the vocabulary and with the English that you guys are being professional from long time, and you can clear it in the first attempt. So maybe I won't say on behalf of all the people, but people who are very good with their vocabulary and who are very good with their writing skills and all, might be they can clear it in their first attempt. But I believe if someone, because I heard many people when I gave exams, whose attempt is like third attempt, fourth attempt, or fifth attempt, somewhere or seventh attempt also. So it's better to go for a training than to be sorry, because instead of giving so many attempts and spending so much time, so much amount and time on the second and third attempts, in the first attempt they can go for a good trainer and then they can give the exam. Is what I believe.
Okay. So you did the speaking additionally with me as a part of your writing, because you were such a good student that I did not charge you for speaking, but I was enjoying every moment of it. The moment you shared your experience of Infosys campus, that is a place where you would like to take your daughter, your husband to visit once again. I still remember that, amazing stories you shared with the speaking section. And the magic happened that the kind of essays you did with me and the same topics came in the speaking section. So how do you share
Yes.
that experience?
Yeah, that day when that speaking section, they told me that memorable moment that you want to share with us. That's what they asked as a speaking question. But I wrote a number of essays on that, so I was very happy that I got that question. And it's like there is no stop for me to tell the answer. Even I scored 7.5 in that speaking section actually. So I was so happy that whatever we practiced so much on the speaking section, and we practiced so much on the writing as well. So whatever we did in the writing, I got the same in the speaking. So I can say that I did that job very well while I did
Wow.
the speaking.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now, before I move to, ask you one question, like what is something different you find in my teaching? What is your experience? I call myself Coaching Genie. I never ever took the video testimonials of the students, but now I thought that more and more people get to reach to me, because I could see people from India simply think that if somebody from India is teaching them, they may not be the good. I have nothing to say against the foreign native who are giving the classes, but they are paying huge amount of money simply with a belief system that only a foreigner can get them the good band score. So how did you find teaching of Jasbir Grover different, and what is the one thing you like apart from IELTS which you learned from Jasbir Grover?
Like we discussed before, you said that sugar coating. You never told that whatever I did is correct. You always said, you always gave a correct feedback that helped me to achieve the required band scores. That is something unique. And apart from the IELTS, you always says like universe holds your back. That whatever we wish for, it will always come to us. Even though I haven't taken any reading and listening training from you, I still remember saying that I've done very bad in reading. You said it's okay, but no issues. You'll be getting that score. But I'm not. I'm pretty sure because I didn't did well. But I got that 8,777. That seven in reading made me jump with joy because I'm pretty sure I did listening, writing, and speaking very well. But I was confused with the reading part, but I got that seven. That moment I believed that whatever, I've done my part. So let's give it. Ask the universe to give the required results. So you helped me. You made me believe that. Yeah.
So how that powerful belief in universe is working in your life right now? Because when I approached you, I was shocked to know that your husband has got opportunity to move to US, and you were planning to Canada, but universe were having a bigger plan for you. So
Yes.
how are you looking at the universe is working for you? And on your Urban Pro testimonial, you also said ma'am is a positivity coach. So how that transformed your life apart from IELTS, working with Coaching Genie Jasbir?
Before that also I used to be a very optimistic, but when it comes to exams, we know right how we perform. So now, even though when it happens, when some bad thing happened, I don't think about it much nowadays because I leave it. I leave those things because everything happens for a reason.
Wow, what a
Yeah.
great statement you have given, Shruti. Thank you so much. And what role your husband was playing in your journey? Because many times I feel the lack of support, and there also it becomes a hurdle where you are targeting for a goal. So, how come your husband got to know about Jasbir Grover and what role he played?
No, my husband, see, we both were parallelly taking the exams. In the first attempt itself, my husband also gave the exam. Without any coaching, we both gave the exams. Then later, in the month of March, we thought of taking the exam again for the second time. So my husband went for an institute. As I cannot go to any institute, I want someone who can teach me at my home, comfort of my home. So I chose you. So it's like we used to go parallelly. We used to study when my daughter is sleeping. We used to discuss the listening, the reading topics and all. So this is how I used to write so many paras and paras. And I used to ask my husband, you're not doing anything, how you're confident that you'll be getting 7? You're not even keeping your pen on the paper, and you're saying I'll do about the writing part later. See, I'm doing so much. I completed a full classmates book, notebook. And I
Yes.
showed me this is the complete writing part which I have done, and you haven't done anything. Uh, as he didn't do much on the writing part, but he got 9, 6.5, and 7.5, ma'am. He gave a
Okay.
direct online test. So he got his score after 2 months. When he was about to go to US, his score got released.
Oh, okay. Any single moment I live with my student, all the things are there with my heart. Where before the exam, you said, ma'am, what do I need to practice before your exam? I said, do one thing, take your daughter for MACD. She has done really a good job of accommodating you. So stop practicing anything and only focus that you have done your best. You know you have done your best, and now it's your job to perform only. So that was, really a wonderful journey I had with you. And you are only the second student who got in a 1 month, this score of IELTS, because you were so particular, you were so dedicated, always coming on the time, doing the homework, asking me, ma'am, I have done this homework. Do you have any more homework to share? So this is what majority of students lack. I know it was not that easy for you. Everyone says, ma'am, I don't have time. I don't have time. But making a time, adhering to timetable, following the schedule is something you did it, which many others struggle. So, that's the area where people said, kitna time lagega IELTS clear karne mein? Every time they ask me, how much time will you give me? So I always clearly tell them, telling you if you can clear in 1 month would be a false commitment, but I do not know how would you respond. I do
Yes,
not
ma'am.
know how much efforts you will put, right? So that's the reason you are the only student who could do in 1 month time. I really would like to appreciate your efforts, and that efforts are not only your efforts, your daughter, your husband, and you are one of the most sincere student in my life I got. I truly, truly admire you the most. And tons of blessing, loads of love. And thank you so much for recommending so many people for my services, for my coaching, getting students from US, and all the efforts that asking me the feedback, ma'am, when you can join him. That shows that you have a zeal. You know that the pain of others, and you were more interested in contributing in the life of others. So with this, thank you so much for joining me, Shruti. Thank you so much. Tons of blessings, loads of love, and thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. All the best to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.